गोयच्या जनतेन दिल्लो कौल आमकां मान्य आसा. गोंयकारांनी भाजपाक बहुमतान वेचून हाडला ही सत्य परिस्थिती आसा आणि आमी ती मान्य करता अशें काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्रीय फुडारी पी चिदंबरमान सांगले. भाजपा विरोधात आशिल्ल्या वातावरणाचो आमकां फायदो करून घेवपाक कळ्ळें ना ही आमची चूक अशें ताचें म्हणणें. भाजपाक हरोवपा खातीर विरोधकांनी एकवट दाखयलो ना हेच आमच्या हारीचें मुख्य कारण थारलें अशी खंत तांणी उक्तायली. पूण ह्याच वेळार काँग्रेसीच्या तरणाट्या उमेदवारांनी वेंचणुकेत बरी फायट दिल्ल्याचें ताणें सांगलें.
A change, but in their voting behavior, they could not bring about the change. I say this because the winning party, the BJP, got only a little over 33% of the vote. The overwhelming majority of the voters voted against the BJP, but those votes were split among many parties, which gave the BJP an opportunity to win 20 seats. The second is that although we communicated the message, if you want change, vote for the Congress, do not split the votes among other parties, we accept that that message was perhaps not communicated as effectively as it should have. That message was heard by all Goans, but they reacted differently and voted largely for the Congress party, but also voted for other parties, especially the new entrants to the electoral field in Goa. As a result, the non-BJP votes were divided, in some cases hopelessly divided, which gave BJP a free pass to victory in that constituency. Nevertheless, we accept the verdict because under our present system it is first past the post, and the BJP has been the first past the post in 20 constituencies.